If you've ever heard the term Power BI and thought, okay, but what does it actually do? This is the fastest explanation you will ever get. Power BI is Microsoft's tool for taking raw, messy data and turning it into clear, interactive insights. And it does that through 3 big steps. Step 1, it connects to data. Power BI connects to almost anything. Excel sheets, SQL databases, cloud apps like Salesforce, Google Analytics, SharePoint, even entire data warehouses. If it stores data, Power BI can probably read it. Step 2, it transforms and cleans data. Inside Power BI is a tool called Power Query. It lets you clean up typos, remove duplicates, merge tables, reshape data, and fix all the ugly stuff before you ever build a report. Think of it like washing fruits and chopping vegetables before you start cooking. In step 3, it visualizes and it shares. Once your data is clean, you can build interactive dashboards, charts, maps, KPIs, slicers, filters, all clickable and all dynamic. Then you publish them online so your team, your boss, or your clients can explore the data themselves. So, in one sentence, Power BI helps you understand your data and share insights that actually drive decisions. If you want simple, practical Power BI lessons, hit that subscribe button. This series will walk you through everything.